I grew up with the history of Camp Kinderland, of the communist and versus the socialist Kinderring, which my mom went to. A mixed marriage. Kinderland and Kinderring used to be one camp. The Workmen's Circle camp was Camp Kinderland. And in the 1920s, there was another major split in the Communist Party, which became the Communists and the Socialists. And a lot of the communist members of the Workmen's Circle were kicked out. And through lots of different tellings of the story, somehow the communists end up keeping the camp. And the Workmen's Circle still wants to have a summer camp because they want to help their kids get out of the city for the summer. And they find a piece of land right across the lake from Camp Kinderland, and they form it Kinderring. And there are these two camps that absolutely hate each other. And this gets very, very bad in the 50s. It gets worse. I mean, it goes back and forth. Camp Kinderland moves in the 70s and eventually reaches its home in Tolland, Massachusetts, where it is now. And a lot of, I mean, the campers today barely know about Kinderring, Kinderland fights. The Kinderland still has a shula that isn't connected with the Workmen's Circle shulas, but they work together all the time. That, I mean, there's just this understanding that raising children progressively is important, Jewishly progressively is important. But growing up, I thought that Kinderland was the Workmen's Circle camp because all of my friends went to Kinderland. None of us went to Kinderring.